So we remodeled our mobile home bathroom. We started, the floor was carpet, so we ripped that up. And then we were left with this with a big seam we duct taped shut. So we had some repurposed laminate floor we put in there. So it wasn't real waterproof, but and then I got some sticky tiles to replace that part of the floor. Then we got a nice threshold to finish it off.
Coming into our bathroom. Use the wide angle lens here. Floors are done.
That's the first step. This took us quite a few months to get done.
Very happy.
So you notice the mirror is gold there. We decided to paint them black. So we're going for a more modern look, and I didn't want to buy a new mirror. So that's the finished one. We ended up replacing the
These are some cabinet doors for my bathroom that we wanted to change from oak to black.
So when we got the doors done, I had contact paper. You might laugh, but I didn't want to spray paint in the house in the winter time. So contact paper for just the base. So that stuck really well. Then we got some new hardware for the doors. And attaching those was a lot more complicated than I thought it was, but we got it done. And put handles on it so we wouldn't scratch the paint. So that's kind of step 2 of the bathroom. We went a few more months probably. And then it was time I found another mirror and painted that. And then we put some shiplap up. We painted Luan and cut it and nailed it up. And that worked really good to make it a nice farmhouse look there with the shiplap style. I only had enough boards to do the bottom half, so we primed the bathroom wallpaper. That shows the tub area. So I had a green color in the basement. I didn't really love that, so I mixed up a nice tan color and then put that on, and that looked a lot better. And I couldn't wait. I was up really late painting that night, so I couldn't wait to see it in the daylight, which was this picture here. It's like my favorite color, tan. So we went from a bathroom look like this with horrendous wallpaper and floors, and then fixtures like that, to a finished bathroom. This is the tub area, the sink, and then over by the closet it shows the floor we put in and another fixture above the closet there. All in all, we did this pretty cheaply because we had been given the flooring. I used paint from the basement. We only had a couple sheets of Luan, which is about a 1/4 inch pressboard plywood. Probably the most expensive thing was replacing the lamps and probably primer. So anyways, hope this found it helpful, and we'll see you next week.